Goa government has submitted before the High Court that it will not allow or it will not organize any seafood festival on the beach. By filing the affidavit, former Director of Tourism has tendered unconditional apology to the High Court for organizing Raponkars Seafood Festival at Arambol Beach in December 2024, which is in violation of a High Court's order passed in the year 2001. The former Director of Tourism has submitted that the seafood festival was organized on the Arambol Beach to promote the tourism and Raponkars Seafood Festival in that area on the request of Mandre MLA Jeet Arolkar. But the Goa government has further assured the High Court that in future that mistake will not be repeated. Accepting the unconditional apology and the assurance, the High Court has disposed of the contempt of court petition. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.